Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but of course if you want to you can use any other browsers. Basically this operation is pretty similar everywhere, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps. So as I said, let's open the browser, and now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got two options. So if you want to really quickly remove everything, maybe not everything, just a part of the browsing history, just tap on the clear browsing data. And here you can remove something from the last 15 minutes or all time, but basically it will remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. If you want to remove some advanced browsing history, advanced browsing data, just tap on the three dots icon and enter the history. As you can see, here we've got the list of all visited websites. So of course if you want to you can remove them manually one by one here just by tapping on this X button, but I just wanted to show you to enter the clear browsing data option. And as I said, here we've got basic options which can be used in the previous method, and here we've got advanced options. So as you can see, you can remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything, and you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So it's up to you, just choose the time range and tap on clear data. Then let's tap on clear. Okay, got it. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.